Let's go get that money.
All right, guys, we're going to try to win some actual silver.
Silver strike coins.
From the Silver Strike machine here in Las Vegas. All right, Gigi.
All right, here we go.
Max bets. It's only 75-cent max bet.
Oh, that's what we want right here.
Yeah, I don't know if you need just one or if you need all three.
I think just one.
Nope, you must need all three. Because you got one on the top line and it didn't do.
Darn it, get up there.
Duke.
Okay.
I got your money back. Thank you. You put a 20 in, actually you're up like 10 bucks.
Okay, that's good.
No, not 10 bucks. You're up 50 cents down. Okay, I get quarters, so I got to do math.
Let's get a coin. D.
No, I think you got to get all three.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh.
Because we hit one of those on the first line.
Okay. Darn it. Some of them you only need just one.
Yeah, I'm not sure how that works. Maybe it's got to be a win. I don't know. We'll see.
I thought for sure it was...
What's it take? I'm trying to read the thing. Win souvenir tokens. Play max credits.
Here, right here. We need bar, silver. Bar. Okay, we need bars.
Okay, so it's got to line up. So if you have bar with the same bar. Okay, gotcha. Do it.
Okay, now, there we go. Yay, we got
Did
it.
you win?
Yes, we got it.
Did you get one?
I'm gonna get one.
And it's gonna come down to the bottom.
Let's see what it's gonna come out right here.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh look. Oh, it's the same one he gave us.
Yeah. Tommy gave us one of these, and we thought we'd try to win one of
Yeah.
these. We just won a silver coin, ladies and gentlemen, right here for 75 cents.
Okay.
All right.
Let's try it again.
If we can get another one, maybe we'll do a giveaway on our Friday night show.
What's it doing? Oh, it gave us another one.
Did you win again? Yeah.
Okay.
Did you spin or did
No,
you skip
it just did it.
Okay, because you got double bars.
Is that what?
Wait. It might give you another one.
I'm gonna get another one. How does this happen?
Hang on, because you got triple bars. Triple bars get you 3 coins. Double
Okay, so
bars.
this is a different one.
Well, you're just rolling in silver.
Oh, look, they're all 3 different. This is a heart. This is a heart.
Oh, it's going to be heart, spade.
Heart, spade, and clubs.
Okay, then you need a diamond for the complete thing. Okay, that's it. So keep spinning.
Okay.
So if you get double bar, you get 2 coins. Single bar will get you 1 coin. I'm thinking.
Okay.
I don't know for a fact. Nice. So how many coins we got?
4.
3 coins, but Tommy gave us 1. So if we got doubles, we will definitely give one of these away on our Friday Night Live. Picking and scratching, ladies and gentlemen. Do it.
Did we get something?
No.
No.
You got to have single or double.
Okay.
Single,
okay, now.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
If a coin would have landed, you would have got 1 more coin.
Okay.
I don't know what the going price of silver is, but these are silver coins. That cherry gets you a little something. But I think if a double bar would have landed on that 3rd reel, you would have got another coin. Doink? Nope. We are playing at Four Queens, ladies and gentlemen, downtown Las Vegas.
Do it again.
Yeah, get a triple bar, you'll get 3 coins. Doink. It's coin.
Oh, shoot, that's what we needed right there.
Or a bar would have won you money. Yeah, but the coin would have got you another coin.
Where are we at? How much?
I don't know. You got your credits are over there. You got 16 quarters left, so that's like $4. Nope.
But you can trade these in. These are like $10. $10 each. You can trade them in and get $10. Yeah.
At the cage?
Yeah.
It says, yeah, they're 50 ounces of silver. It says it contains 50 ounces of silver. Oh. You get $1 left. Do it. You get 1 quarter left, so you just got to bet one.
Oh, bet one.
You got to bet one.
How do I do that? Okay, there we go. No.
Press 1 credit.
There.
All
No,
right.
that's it. All
we
right.
got 3 coins.
So we got oops. Went in my purse. Right here.
3 silver coins for $20.
Yes. All right.
All right,
That's
Gamblin
awesome.
Granny.
Thank you. That was awesome. So that's it, right?
Yep, that is it. All right.
All right.
Say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye, everybody.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.